Okay, so here we are out at the kitchen table with my Ronin 4D, and this is a 6K model. I'm going to go ahead and get this out of the case. And I have a Sony E-mount lens on here and the mounting bracket, and works very well this way. So hopefully we can see what's going on here. Maybe close that up a little bit so we don't have that backlight. And this is the Ronin 4D. I also bought just yesterday the Ronin 4D Flex cable, and we're gonna go ahead and get that set up and see how all that works. So get the handles out. Ooh, ow, jeez. And we'll go from there. Get the second battery out in case that one's dead. When I bought this, I bought 2 extra batteries along with the 1 terabyte SSD card, or drive for it, and some other goodies. Okay, so we have the expansion ring for that, and the whole cable system here. That's a nice little ring there, and I'm going to tell you right from the get-go here, I have not set this up before, so there's going to be a lot of, oh my god, jeez Louise, that sort of thing going on while I'm figuring this out. And yeah, honestly, that's the way it is sometimes, right? Alright, so in case you don't know what the deal is with this flex cable, is it gives you the ability to separate the sensor, which is right here, from the body, which is right here, and use it to kind of running gun, I think is the best way of putting it, maybe. So let me get some stuff here together. On the bottom of this, we got a 1/4 and a 1/2 inch, it looks like, and then the handles mount here and here. Your monitor mounts up here, and yeah, plugs in there, I suppose. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get a base here real quick. Okay, so when you are using the cable, you have to take the monitor off if you don't have a separate high bright monitor, off the body, and that has 2 Allen screws that you need to unscrew this mounting bracket and mount it down here. So we're going to go ahead and do that, hopefully now, if I have a Allen key that is sufficient for it. Okay. Alright. Yeah. And I do apologize. Part of having cancer, this type of cancer, and the Eaton-Lambert or Lambert-Eaton disease, or syndrome is eye-hand coordination sucks. And it is what it is, you know. Supposedly, as I do more chemotherapy, then that kind of stuff will alleviate. And we will certainly see. Okay, so thanks to my most excellent and well protected iFixit case or toolkit, turns out I do have the right Allen wrench after all, or Allen key anyway. And we're gonna go ahead and mount this on the frame of that. We're gonna turn that up to that and get my cable mounted into here. Okay, let's see. Okay. Turn that thumb screw down into there. Okay, that's good there. That's right there. And now that's the unit put together. And that's, you know, fairly pretty cool. Okay, so now we're going to mount the sensor on there and go from there. Okay, so let's see. We have a couple things here. Let's say lock and unlock, and you gotta hit. Whoa. Okay. And now, taking it off the body, there's a little latch there, or a push button. Okay, good deal. Now we're matching the red to red up on the handle. Okay. And we are supposedly locking that in place. There we go. I think that's right. Yep. And we'll lock that in place. Okay. Okay. Make sure everything is freed up here. And go ahead and get the cable. set up properly on this side. Okay, red to red dot. That's all nice and tight. Okay, this is the monitor. So I'm gonna, let's see, I'm gonna thread that the way it was, I think. Okay, I'm gonna come up to there, around the back, plug that into that. That plugged into that, and then this will come around and plug back into that with a thumb screw. Huh. Okay. Wow. And we are wow. So, here's the deal. With the sensor separated from the body, you can literally have somebody walking with you while you're doing the shooting with the sensor. Or you could take this half inch or quarter 20 on the bottom of this unit and mount this to a rig on your backpack and roll it that way. So let's go ahead and pick this up on this part. We're gonna get that up here on the table a little bit better, and I'm losing a strap here. Let's see if I can't get this fixed real fast. Okay. This feels considerably lighter. All right. Check that out. That is too cool. Yeah. Yeah. That's very neat. Okay. So let's see. Get that unlocked. There's my record. Huh. Yeah, honestly, this is, I don't know. I don't want to sound jaded or whatever, but, we're a big deal, but that's worth the $900 for this cable. Without a doubt. Yeah, without a doubt, that is, that's worth the money. that frees it up into less weight, honestly, on this part than my RS2. with the FX3 on it. Yeah, that's yeah, wow. Well worth it. Okay. Um, very cool. Huh. Definitely, definitely a cool little situation here. um, nice unit. Okay. Well, now the question is, how do you get it in the case and store this in the case also, right? You probably have to break all of this down at least and mount the camera back on it. But you know what? That's pretty cool. So this I'm not quite sure about. Very well made unit, but whether I need it for what I do will be seen in the near future. There is a power button on the unit. Yep. Wow, that is one cool system. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm Jay, and hope you come back and see a little bit more as I progress with my chemotherapy, my cancer, and trying to do this at the same time. Thanks, everybody. Take care.